Najongana ithini into? Would you guys?
Ay, mina nginankinga neyami.
Okay, impilo.
Ishintshane ukuthi
To go through each other's WhatsApp. So uzocheck WhatsApp wakho.
anginankinga.
You don't have an issue.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Impilo, do you have another question?
Hayi.
Are you sure?
Hayi.
Uthi hayi okanye uthi ewe? Awufuna ucheckisha ifoni?
Sicheke ukuthini?
Kaloku Camille, please stop laughing. Kaloku she's gonna go through your WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
And check if there's another woman in there. If I'm Jolene.
Ufike ngijolele. Awuyazi leyo story.
So ufuna ucheckisha
Hayi
WhatsApp.
ukuthi ngifoni. Sengiyasho nje phela ukuthi. Yabo.
Okay. But wena uyafuna ucheckisha ifoni?
Ay, ngiyafuna.
Okay, uzomnika ke ngoku ifoni ayicheckishe.